Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you the best settings for Autosnipe AI. Let's get started. I recommend enabling the Instant Buy option, as it will display all the tokens you can purchase instantly within a few minutes. I suggest turning this on if speed is your main concern. There are also other options available. On the right side of the screen, you'll find filters that allow you to exclude tokens where minting authorization is disabled. I suggest keeping this on to prevent tokens from being arbitrarily minted. The second option is LP Burn, which filters tokens that have had their liquidity pool burned. It's best to keep this on as it enhances safety. The top 10 holders filter checks token distribution among the top 10 holders. I suggest leaving this off, but it's optional based on your risk tolerance. The at least one social filter ensures that tokens have at least one linked social media account, which can help verify legitimacy. It's best to keep this on. The freeze off option should be disabled to prevent getting stuck in potential scams. Keeping the freeze off filter enabled helps you avoid tokens that could be frozen maliciously. This adds an extra layer of security to your trades. Enabling the hide rugs filter is highly recommended as it helps you avoid tokens flagged as scams or rug pulls, reducing your exposure to fraudulent projects. The Show Only Tokens Migrated from Pump.Fun filter displays tokens that have been migrated from a specific source. I would recommend leaving this off unless you specifically want to track migrated tokens. Leaving this off unless you're specifically targeting Moonshoot-related tokens. The same applies to the Native to Radium filter, which is only relevant for Radium users. You have the flexibility to set your preferred volume, market cap, number of transactions, buys, sells, and current liquidity according to your strategy. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.